In this video we learn 1. Units command. 2. Line command. 3. Move command. Length. Type. Sets the current display format for units of measure. The values include architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, and scientific. The engineering and architectural formats produce feet and inches displays. And assume that each drawing unit represents 1 inch. The other formats can represent any real-world unit. Precision. Sets the number of decimal places or fractional size displayed for linear measurements. Insertion scale. Controls the unit of measurement for blocks and drawings that are inserted into the current drawing. A block or a drawing that is created with units that are different from the units specified with this option is scaled when inserted. The insertion scale is the ratio of the units used in the source block or drawing and the units used in the target drawing. Select Unitless to insert the block without scaling it to match the specified units. Note, in the Application Preferences dialog box, Units and Guides tab, the source content units and target drawing units settings are used when, either in the source block or the target drawing, insertion scale is set to unitless. Lighting. Controls the unit of measurement for the intensity of photometric lights in the current drawing. Photometric lights use the insertion scale to determine the units used in rendering, so insertion scale should be set to a unit style other than unitless. Angle. Specifies the current angle format and the precision for the current angle display. Type. Sets the current angle format. Precision. Sets the precision for the current angle display. The following conventions are used for the various angle measures. Decimal degrees appear as decimal numbers, grads appear with a lowercase g suffix, and radians appear with a lowercase r suffix. The degrees/minutes/seconds format uses D for degrees, for minutes, and for seconds. Two. Line command. Specify first point. Sets the starting point for the line. Click a point location. With object snaps or grid snap turned on, the points will be placed precisely. You can also enter coordinates. If instead, you press enter at the prompt, a new line starts from the endpoint of the most recently created line, polyline, or arc. If the most recently created object is an arc, its endpoint defines the starting point of the line. The line is tangent to the arc. Specify next point specifies the endpoint of the line segment. You can also use polar and object snap tracking together with direct distance entry. Make a room of 12x12. Create a series of contiguous line segments. Each segment is a line object that can be edited separately. Three. Move command. Moves objects a specified distance in a specified direction. Use coordinates, grid snaps, object snaps, and other tools to move objects with precision. The following prompts are displayed. Select objects. Specifies which objects to move. Base point. Specifies the start point for the move. Second point. In combination with the first point, specifies a vector that indicates how far, and in what direction, the selected objects are moved. If you press enter to accept the use first point as displacement value, the first point is interpreted as a relative xyz displacement. For example, If you specify 2,3 for the base point and press enter at the next prompt, the objects move 2 units in the X direction and 3 units in the Y direction from their current position. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.